Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am looking at the Quantum Valkyrie EA for MT5. So that's an important point because everything about its execution and testing environment is designed around MT5's strategy tester and execution model. Now, jumping into the MQL5 marketplace page, what immediately stands out is the positioning of this EA around precision and controlled execution, especially on gold, right? So it's not marketed as a high frequency scalper or a grid based system. Instead, it focuses on structured, predefined risk per trade with a strong emphasis on discipline and execution quality over trade volume. Now, from the marketplace information, the EA is specifically designed for XAUUSD, all right, on the M15 time frame, and that is clearly the recommended setup. It also specifies a minimum deposit of around $500 with $1,000 or more being the preferred range for more stable margin handling. All right, it's built for ECN or raw spread environments, which makes sense given it's working on gold where spread sensitivity can really affect performance. A VPS is also recommended for stable execution, which tells me it's meant to run continuously without interruptions. Now, moving into the feature set, what I notice is the philosophy behind it is very structured. Each trade is designed is defined. I mean, each trade is defined individually with its own stop loss. All right, and take profits from the moment it is opened. Okay, so there is no grid expansion or aggressive averaging down, which is important because it keeps exposure controlled. The EA focuses on market structure on the M15 time frame, analyzing volatility, compression, expansion, and momentum alignment before executing. Okay, so what I also find interesting is that it avoids emotional or reactive adjustments, after entry. Once a trade is placed, the parameters remain fixed, which suggests a more disciplined, rule based execution model rather than adaptive recovery systems that modify exposure dynamically. Okay, now we are just going to be moving into the backtesting phase. All right, we are going to be testing the Quantum Valkyrie EA on the recommended pair and the recommended time frame. All right. So Quantum Valkyrie recommended pair XAU USD. Okay. Recommended time frame M15. All right. And we are going to be using the every tick model as a priority, since that gives a realistic simulation of price movement to an extent. Okay, and we are going to be running the back test from the beginning of the year till date. All right, so that we can get a reasonable amount of data for the back test. Okay, so now let's just start the back test immediately. All right, I also avoided visual mode during you know the back test, which is ongoing right now, to keep the process faster, right? And once the results are out, we are just going to open the chart so that we can look at a couple of trades and understand how the strategy was implemented, after which we are also going to look at the results, analyze the results together to know how the EA performed over the space of about 4 months and a week. All right, even though I recommend testing the EA over a longer period of time, perhaps a few years, to get a more comprehensive result, and so that the EA can be able to work over different market conditions. All right, so within a few minutes now, the results will be out, and we're just going to look at the chart together and also analyze the results together. Okay, so the results are out, and let's start by scrolling through the chart. Okay, so when I scroll through the chart, what stands out is how selective the entries appear. We can see a couple of trades around here, right? You can see here a sell trade and it was closed here. You can see a sell trade and it was closed here, right? Okay, seems like two sell trades that were both closed. Okay, you can see a sell trade. This was a buy trade and it was closed here. This was a sell trade and okay, this seemed to be closed in loss. A buy trade that was closed here. All right. So the EA doesn't seem to overtrade. Instead, trades cluster around specific market conditions where momentum and structure align. All right. You can see that there are also clear periods where it stays inactive, which suggests it is filtering out a lot of low quality setups rather than forcing trades. Now, from a behavioral perspective, right, the entries seem to align with volatility shifts on gold, especially during expansion phases after consolidation. Exits are clean and predefined, which matches the fixed TP and SL structure described in the system logic. There is no visible evidence of chaotic recovery behavior or trade stacking, which reinforces the idea of controlled exposure, right? So if users are testing this themselves, I would still recommend running proper tick data backtesting because open prices only can sometimes smooth out the real intrabar movement, especially on a volatile asset like gold, right? So looking at the historical results now, okay, well, what I can say is that the performance is heavily dependent on risk settings, broker execution quality, spread conditions, and leverage. All right, this is not something that should be judged on a few isolated trades. It really needs to be evaluated over longer periods like 3 to 6 months of data or even a few years to understand its consistency under different market conditions. But based on what we have here, the EA seems to have performed well over the space of 4 months, right? Initial deposit is $3,000, net profit is $1,365. Okay, so we have 75 total trades, 40 short trades with 80% win rate, 35 long trades with 85.71% win rate. So that's quite a good one. The largest trade, the largest profitable trade was $420.6. The average losing trade was $355.14. The average profit trade was $64.89, and the average losing trade was $204.46. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is not good, right? You can see the average winning trade and the average losing trade, right? So that gives us a bad risk to reward ratio, but it seems like the win rate sort of, you know, overshadowed the bad risk to reward ratio. Okay, so in conclusion, the Quantum Valkyrie EA for MT5 presents itself as a disciplined, structure driven system built specifically for gold on M15, right? So it prioritizes controlled execution over aggressive trading styles, and the backtest behavior reflects that philosophy, right? So, as always, results in testing are historical and not predictive of future performance. So, it's something that should be forward tested carefully on demo before any live deployment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.